Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. So now I want to discuss factorization problem. Okay, the remaining problems are there, so that's why we should discuss it. Clear? Okay, so now at first everyone get ready with their copies. You should try also. Okay, because the two examples are left. After examples that we will do the exercise 17C. Understood everyone? So you should get ready everyone, and easy problems are there. Only formula is there. With the help of formula we will solve it. Okay, what is the formula, sir? We know that formula. What? A square minus b square formula, we know that. Okay, with the help of that formula we will solve it. Clear? Okay, so now let's start everyone. At first see example 4, we'll discuss it. Example 4. Four problems are there, so 4 problems at first we will discuss. After the example 5, next we will go to the exercise. Okay, so first question, see, first question what, sir? First question is telling x square minus a square plus 4a minus 4. This is the question. So I am writing the question: x square minus a square plus 4a minus 4. Okay, question clear? Okay, so x square minus a square, one formula is there. What formula? A square minus b square formula. A square minus b square formula is telling what? A square minus b square formula is telling that a plus b into a minus b. Understood? A plus b into a minus b. So that's why similarly we can write what? X plus a. This one also we will write what? X plus a into x minus a. Understood or not? We can write it. Clear? Understood? Okay. The next two terms, no, last two terms, common portion is there. Yes, what is the common, sir? Plus 4 is common. So that's why we will take common plus 4. And if we take the plus 4 common, what will come inside in the bracket? A minus 1, because 4a was there, 4 taken, so a left, that one will come. Minus will come. 4 already taken, so 1 will come. Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Up to this one understood or not? Up to this one understood? Okay. But here one problem is there. We did this type of problem. See, now we are getting any common portion. We are getting here any common portion. In this bracket, no common portion. Understood or not? No common portion. So that's why what to do? That's why we won't follow this formula or this rule. Only we are writing x minus a square. This one we can write, but after that we are not getting any common portion, no? And without common portion, how to solve it? This one. So that's why this line totally cancel it. Okay? Clear everyone? Clear or not? This line totally cancel it. So how to do and what to do? See, only x square this portion, keep it like that. Only x square this portion, keep it like that. After that, from a square 4 plus 4a minus 4, this one will keep like together. Okay, just see, just observe it. X square I am writing. After that, minus minus a square plus 4a minus 4. So minus take common. Okay, if we take minus common, what will come? What will come here? A square will come. Plus 4a, this one will be what? Minus 4a. Clear or not? Because minus common taken. Understood? And minus 4 minus taken common, so plus 4 will come. Up to this one understood? Up to this one understood? Clear? Okay. Why we are doing? Just see. After that, x square minus this a square minus 4a plus 4, no, one formula is there. What formula, sir? This is the formula of a minus 2 whole square formula. Why? Because see, I am writing here a square minus, or first bracket also we can write it, no problem. First bracket also we can write it. A square minus 2, one formula is there. What formula? A minus b whole square formula. We are following here a minus b whole square formula, not a square minus b square formula. This is also very important. A minus b whole square formula. a minus b whole square formula is telling that a square minus 2ab plus b square. Very very important. Okay, this is what a minus 2 whole square formula. Similarly, a plus 2 whole square formula what? A plus 2 whole square formula equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here all terms are positive, but a minus 2 whole square formula for negative, the middle sign will be what? Middle sign will be negative. Clear? That means first sign will be positive, next negative, next after that positive, plus minus plus like that. And for positive, middle positive means all signs will be positive. Understood? So that's why we are following this formula only, a minus 2 whole square formula. Means here a minus b whole square formula. This is what? A minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square formula what? A square minus 2a plus b square. So that's why we are doing like that here. A square minus 4a plus 4, no, I am writing like that in our formula. We are following the formula. What formula? A minus b whole square formula. See, so 4a means we can write what? 2, after that a, and b what? B means here 4 given, no, here 4 given. 4 means we can write what? 4 means we can write 2 square or not? 4 means we can write 2 square. Clear? So that's why here b means what? 2. Here b means 2. So now check it once. A square minus 4a. 4a we are writing that what? 2 into a into 2. 2 into a into 2. That means 2 into a into b. B means here 2. After that b square, no? B square means 2 square. So that's why b means what? B equal to 2. And a normal a is there. So now it is one formula. What formula? A minus b whole square formula. Okay, so that's why we can write directly, but this is for the first time now, so that's why we are that expressing like that. Okay, step by step we are writing like that, and when we will that practice all the formulas, after that time that directly we can write a square minus 4a plus 4 means a minus 2 whole square formula. Okay, so now see x square. Now we are getting what? X square minus this one what? A minus 2 whole square. Clear or not? Clear? This one understood? A minus 2 whole square formula what? A square minus 2a b plus b square. Means here b means what? 2. So that's why I am writing here 2 plus 2 square. Clear or not? Clear? Now see, this is a square minus b square formula, no? This is a, and this in the bracket portion this is b. That means a square minus b square formula. Understood? So now a square minus b square formula, we know that a square minus b square formula what? A plus b into a minus b. Understood or not? A plus b into a minus b. So here a x plus b means what? A minus 2. Okay, clear? After that, similarly a minus b, a means x minus b means here what? A minus 2. So b means a minus 2. So see that in front of a minus 2 minus sign is there in front of a minus 2. So when in front of a minus 2 minus sign is there, so inside sign will be what? Sign will be changed or not? Yes, sign will be changed. That means this sign will be what? Positive, plus sign will be. Clear? Why? Because see, I am writing here minus of a minus 2. This one will come, and minus of a minus 2 means what? Minus a minus minus plus 2. So that's why I am directly writing here x minus a plus 2. Understood this one? So this is the answer. Very very important question. So what to do at first? X square keep it like that same. Okay, and minus a square plus 4a minus 4, this one will keep together. Why? Because our formula is there, a minus b whole square formula. We should follow that formula only. Okay, so after following the formula we are getting what? A minus 2 whole square. So now getting what? X square minus a minus 2 whole square. That means this one what formula? This one in terms of a square minus b square formula, and a square minus b square formula means we know that a plus b into a minus b. So that's why we are writing here a plus b into a minus b. Understood? Clear? Okay. Now next question read everyone. Question number 2 is telling what? 1 minus 2ab minus a square plus b square. 1 minus 2ab minus of a square plus b square. This is the question. So what to do at first? At first write the question. I am writing the question here. 1 minus 2ab minus of a square plus b square. This is the question. So what to do at first? At first we will remove the bracket, first bracket. Okay, at first we will remove the first bracket. So see, 1 minus 2ab, that one keep it like that. Okay, if we remove the first bracket, so what will come? This minus, no, outside minus and inside sign will be what, multiplied. Clear? Clear or not? That means minus and inside of that bracket plus sign is there. A square means nothing is there, means plus a square. That means minus plus minus a square will come. Similarly minus plus minus b square will come. Clear or not? Understood? So 1 minus 2ab minus a square minus b square. That is the thing. That is the thing coming. Why, sir? Because outside minus sign is there. So this minus sign will be multiplied inside. Clear? So after that we are getting what? After that we are getting 1 minus 2ab minus a square minus b square. Okay? Okay. Now see, this 1 keep it like that. 1 keep it like that. Means this problem, no, we will do like same problem, the previous problem. This previous problem will, this one also will solve it. Okay? So see, here see minus 2ab minus a square minus b square. All signs are minus, no, negative sign. So that's why we will take common. That's why we will take common. Okay? And a square at first we will write. At first we will write what? A square. After that plus 2ab. And after that plus b square. Why, sir? Inside all signs are positive, because all signs are negative was there and we have taken common minus. So that's why we are getting inside all signs are positive. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? So now see, we are getting what? Now we are getting 1 minus this one what? A plus b whole square formula, no? See, a plus b whole square formula I have written here. A square plus 2a plus b square. So that's why a square plus 2a plus b square means this is what? A plus b whole square formula. Understood? Clear? Okay? Okay. So now this 1, no, 1 also we can write what? 1 square. We can write or not? Because 1 square means what? 1 square means only 1 only. 1 square means only 1. Now we are getting this one, see, a square minus b square formula or not? This one a and this one b. In bracket portion this is b. Think about it. Okay. So a square minus b square formula is coming. So a square plus b, a square minus b square formula what, sir? A square minus b square formula is telling a plus b into a minus b. So here a means 1 plus b means what? B means a plus b. Understood or not? Understood? Okay. Similarly, here into a minus b. A minus b means 1 minus b. B means what? B means here a plus b, no? So a plus b. So sign will be changed. So a minus b will come. Why? Because minus of a plus b. Minus of a plus b means what? If we remove the bracket, so minus a minus b will come or not? Because the minus sign will be multiplied inside, no? So that's why it is coming 1 minus a minus b. So that is the answer. That is the answer. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? Okay. So after that, next question what? Next question is telling a square into b plus c. A square into b plus c, no? Okay, write the question everyone. A square into b plus c minus b plus c whole square or whole cube. Yes, whole cube is there. Yes, whole cube is there. Okay, everyone write the question. Just a little bit I am erasing. Okay, after that I am doing. If you can do, it's okay. You can try also, no problem everyone. You should try also. Okay, you should not waste the time. You should try it, and if any problem, you just inform. Any doubt, you can write in the comment box also, no problem everyone. Okay. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, see question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is telling a square into b plus c minus b plus c whole cube. Okay, this is the question. So what to do at first? What to do at first? Any common portion is there? Yes, b plus c in bracket. Here also b plus c in bracket. Means we can take the common. So we should take the common. B plus c common. Okay, clear? So after that, what are we getting? We are getting what? A square minus here b plus c whole square. Understood everyone? B plus c we are taking common. After that, after common we are getting what? A square minus b plus c whole square. Clear? Clear or not? Okay. So this b plus c, keep it like that. Okay, this b plus c, keep it like that. Only in this second bracket, no? Second bracket, see, this is form of what? A square minus b square formula, no? This is a, and this is, think about it, this is like b. Okay, and we know that the formula a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. So the write it here, a plus b means here b plus c. Clear or not? Clear? Okay, and a minus b minus c will come. Why? Because inside plus and outside minus, so that's why all signs should be what? Multiplied. So that's why we are getting what? Minus b minus c. So this is the answer only. Very easy. Very easy or not? Very easy. So this is the answer. B plus c into a plus b plus c into a minus b minus c. Clear? Understood or not? Understood? Okay, next question. Next question what? Next question is telling a into a minus 1, a into a minus 1 minus b into b minus 1. This is the question. A into a minus 1 minus b into b minus 1. This is the question. Next question. At first write the question, after that check the question. Question is correct or not. Okay, and after that write. After that just write. You can do it also, no problem. Okay, so what to do at first? Do it. At first we will do here, remove the bracket. Okay, we will do what? Remove the bracket. If we remove the bracket, what will come here? A into a, that means a square will come, minus a into 1, a will come. Clear or not? That means a square minus a. Clear? Okay. Next, minus b into b, minus b square. Clear? And minus a plus b. Up to this one, clear? Clear or not? Clear? Understood? Okay. After that, what to do, sir? At first we are removing the bracket. After that, what to do? This square form, no? A square and b square. One formula is there, a square minus b square formula, we know that. So that one, keep it together. A square minus b square, keep it together. Okay? And minus a plus b, that one, keep it together. Clear? So this a square minus b square, we know that the formula. This a square minus b square, we know that the formula. Clear or not? What formula, sir? A plus b into a minus b. We know or don't know? We know a plus b into a minus b. Understood? Clear? Okay. And here in this term, no, we can take common. What common, sir? Common nothing is there. Only minus 1 we can take common. Minus 1. Minus we can take common, and 1 also we can take, because nothing is there. So that's why we can take common what? 1. Clear? Okay. So that's why if we take minus 1 common, a will come, and plus b from plus b, minus taken, so minus will come here, because plus means I told you that my 2 minus is there, 1 minus taken common, so another minus will come. Clear or not? And b will come. Understood? Understood or not? Okay. Now see, check it once. In the bracket a minus b, there also a minus b is there or not? Yes, same thing is coming. So that's why we can take the common a minus b. So that's why we will take a minus b common. Okay? Clear? Okay. So after common, we are getting what? The remaining portion will come in the bracket. So a plus b minus 1 will come. This is the answer. A plus b minus 1. Understood? So this is the answer only. Clear everyone? Clear? Easy, but concept should be clear. Otherwise, without concept, that how to solve it, this one? How to solve? Okay. So example 4 finished. 4 problems finished already. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is telling the what? Evaluate. We find out what? The value. So see, at first see the first question and write the question. After that write. That time I am little bit erasing. You should try it. Okay. You are trying or not? You should try. Clear? And even a doubt, you inform me. I will discuss it. I will explain also. But any conceptual problem is there or not, you should inform me. Okay. Okay. So first question, see, 975 whole square minus 25 whole square. This is the question. 975 whole square minus 25 whole square. This is the question. So see, our formula is there. This one A and this one B. SK minus B square formula. SK plus B, SK minus B square formula what? SK minus B square formula is telling A plus B into A minus B or not? That means A plus B into A minus B. Clear or not? Clear? Understood? According to the formula only. Okay? Okay. So now see, 975 plus 25 what? 1000. Clear? And 975 minus 25, that one what? 950. Clear? So 950 into 1000 what? 950 into 1000 means 950. After that, how many zeros? 3 0 will come, because 1000 means 3 zeros. So that's why 3 0 will come. That means 9,50,000. This is the answer. Very easy. Very, very easy. Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Next question, see. Next question what? Next question is telling, this one try it. 98.5. Very easy question. The whole square minus 1.5 whole square. This is the question. Try it, everyone. Only SK minus B square formula is there, so we can try it. Clear or not? Okay. So this is A and this is B. Clear? So A plus B means 98.5 plus 1.5 into 98.5 minus 1.5. Okay. So 98.5 plus 1.5 means what? We are getting 100. Added this one, 98.5 plus 1.5, this is what? This is 100 into 98.5 minus 1.5. So what do we get, sir? This one will get what? 97. Clear? Because here point will be cancelled and 8 minus 1, 7, that one 7 will come. So 97 into 100 what? 97 into 100, 9700. 9700. This is the answer. Understood? Clear? I hope clear, everyone. Okay. And even doubt, whatever we are discussing, even doubt, you should inform me. I will discuss again. Clear? But you should do the work properly. You should try it. You should practice it. Without practice, you cannot solve it. Clear? That is the important thing, and you are getting the time for that practice. So you should practice it properly. Clear? Clear or not? Okay. So after that what? After that, exercise 17C. Exercise 17C will start or later will start. That is depend on you. Okay. So first question, what? First question is telling x square minus 81C. I am just 2-3 problems I am discussing. After that, you will try it, and you can try also. Very, very easy problems are there, so you can try also. No problem that one. Okay. So what to do at first? What to do at first? First question is telling that. First question is telling x square minus 81. Very easy. How to do this one? X square, same thing is will be there. 81 means whose square? 81, sir? 9 square. We can write or not? Yes, sir, we can write it. That means we are getting what? S minus B square formula or not? Yes, we are getting S minus B square formula. And S minus B square formula is telling that A plus B into A minus B. So here A means X and B means 9. So X plus 9 into X minus 9 is coming or not? Yes, very easy or not? Very easy problem. Understood? Clear? Okay. Next question, see. Next question is telling 9a square. 9a square minus 25. This is the question. You should try it. Easy question. How to do this one? At first, that convert into that square form. No. At first, convert into square form. Here 9. 9 means what? We can write what? 3. So 3 here whole square minus 25 means 5 square. Clear or not? So now we are getting what? A square minus b square formula, and a square minus b square formula means we know that a plus b into a minus b, that means 3a plus 5 into 3a minus 5. 3a minus 5. This is the answer. Easy? Clear? So you should practice it, and 3, 4, 5, this one also you can try it, no problem that one, and even in doubt you inform me, I will explain again, next day I will explain, but you should try it. And the remaining problem whatever is there 3 onwards you should try it, even in doubt you inform me, I will explain again. Okay, only with the help of a square minus b square formula. Sometimes we are taking the help of a square minus a plus b whole square formula, sometimes a minus b whole square formula also. Only with the help of formulas we are doing the work. Okay, so that's why you should take the help of formula, and even in doubt you inform me, I will explain again. Okay, so you should do the work properly and you should submit the homework. Clear? So what is your homework, sir? This is all examples here, as well as that exercise problem also, according to your choice, that you should practice it all.